my name's Troy. I'm a new media student here at FLCC, and I'd like to introduce you to my creative process. I'm going to start by showing you some clips of when I was trying to make a tilt shift video. So here I am filming my tilt shift time lapse in Oneonta, New York. I just finished all the editing, and pretty much the process that I had to go through was I had to take all the videos that I recorded and put them together into one video, and then turn that into a time lapse. And then after that, I realized that maybe I might want to give it a bit of a stop motion look. So when exporting it, I messed with the frame rate a little bit to give it a bit of a kind of a staggered effect, I guess is what you'd call it. But I didn't just stop at tilt shift videos. After that, I went on to making more stuff like this. Currently, I am tracking.
Alright, this is a test to test out the After Effects that I'm going to be working.
My interest in video editing really started in one of Paul's classes, actually. We had an editing challenge type assignment, and I made like a cool shooting star video. And a bunch of memes, and ever since then I've just been wanting to know more on how to do it and how to get better at it. So, you know, that's just kind of what I aspire to. I hope in the future I can use these skills that I've learned here on my own to get a job in that type of field, you know, but what college student doesn't? I'm also filming this in a bathroom, and that's why I'm speaking in such a hushed tone. And I feel really awkward every time I hear someone try to handle.
Uncle the Bell.